I will show you data types in Python. So first we will discuss about the integer. What is integer? So like a equal 50. So a equal 50 is here the integer, because here we are not using the fractional part, means 0.5. Whenever you will add 0.5, so this is not an integer, this will be the float. When you will remove this one, then it's called the integer. Integer means you cannot add the fractional part, means decimal. But if you are adding the fractional parts, that is called the float. So now click it. So now we will discuss about the string. This is the basic of Python, that's why I am explaining about the basic. So what's string? Whenever you will write something by using the double quotes, that's called the string. Let's see. So now we have to write hello. So here is double quotes like this one and this one. So whenever you will write inside the double quotes, then that character is called the string. Press enter. So now the result will come out now. Whenever to say this prompt is showing you are writing the input, and whenever prompt is not visible, it means that is called the output. Is it clear? Let's see. Now we will see what's the variables in Python. So now if we write like x equal 5, so here x is variables, so x equal 5, here x is variables. So whenever we will talk about the variables, you can easily understood what is the variables. So here x is variables. If we write y equal 4, so here y is the variables. Is it clear?